Hello team, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2014 Harley Davidson XL1200. This motorcycle is the 48 and it's available at this time. It's full stock. Look at that, the solo seat. Bike is fully safety certified and ready for you take at home. The kilometers on this motorcycle is 3,808 kilometers, and the price is $99.88 plus HST and licenses. You could apply online if you want to. If you wanted to finance it, the financing goes based on your credit score. The approval that you receive, the financier, they're gonna contact you right away. Then you come and do paperwork. And meanwhile, if you go to our web, you could start sending us your application. And if you want to secure this motorcycle specific, you call me and secure it with $500 to hold the bike. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.